Want to avoid ID verification on YouTube? In this video, I will guide you step by step on how you can do that. YouTube is rolling out a change that uses AI to scan your watch history to guess your age. If it thinks you're under 18, it may ask for government ID even if you're an adult. The AI is most likely to flag you if you watch videos labeled made for kids. You can spot these because the like count is hidden, comments are turned off, and the description clearly says it's made for kids. To lower your risk, avoid watching these videos on your main account. If you still want to watch kids' content, create an alternate account. For that, head over to your profile on YouTube. Tap on the switch account option. Now tap on the plus icon. Now go ahead and sign into a secondary account or tap on create account to create a new account. Now you want to follow the on-screen prompts in order to create a new account. You can use this new account to watch kids' video and keep your main account for regular content. While this isn't a 100% guarantee, it's the best way to reduce the chance of unnecessary ID requests. And that's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.